So hello and welcome back to another tutorial series of PNG Maths exam solutions. On this episode number 3, we'll be discussing Grade 10 Maths Exam Paper 2018, and we'll be focusing on question 8 to 10. So let's begin. Now let's have a look at question number 8. Here the question is asking us to find a fortnight pay that to be obtained from an annual salary of 31,200 kina. So for us to answer this question, we need to keep in mind that there are 26 fortnights in a year. So to obtain the answer, we need to divide the annual salary with 26 fortnights. So by evaluating through, we should get our answer as 1,200 kina, hence giving us the answer as A. So let's have a look at question number 9. Here the question is asking us to find the probability of picking balls that are not blue in a bag that contains different colored balls. So the first thing that we should keep in mind is that total number of balls is 9, and there are 4 blue balls altogether. Apparently, we could say that the probability of picking blue balls is 4/9. On contrary, the question is asking us to find the selection or probability of picking balls that are not blue. So to get our answer, we subtract 4/9 away from 1, which then give us the answer as 5/9, hence giving us the alternative as B. Finally, let's look at question number 10. Here the question is asking us to find number of matchsticks that are needed to produce 12 triangles. Provided that from the pattern, a single triangle is formed by joining 3 matchsticks. So from the diagram or the pattern, we could see the sequence produced by the matchsticks is 3, 5, 7, 9, and so forth. From observation, we could see that the sequence forms an arithmetic series with the first term as 3 and common difference of 2. So by evaluating through using general nth term formula, we should get our answer as 25, hence giving us an alternative of C. So that concludes our tutorial for now. Thanks for watching and see you in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our tutorials.